Description: reparative mask that strengthens hair, reduces breakage, and prevents future damage. Benefits: damaged or chemically treated hair, clients looking to reduce breakage and strengthen hair. Suggested use: please see packaging for details. Every bottle is full of super stuff. We hunted down one of the potent natural ingredients, sea buckthorn. This superfruit is one of the few plant sources of the fatty acid omega-7, typically found in fish oil, making it the ultimate holy grail ingredient for healthy hair and scalp. About us: a friend to hair, hairstylist, her, him, them, and you. We're a collective of creatives, hairstylists, chemists, and product enthusiasts that like to bend the rules. Top reviews from the United States. Love. Amika products are amazing, worth every penny. Your hair will feel so soft.